Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Have you ever noticed that some problems just move into your life and it never feels like they'll ever be solved? They take over your life, and you tell yourself things like, I don't have the energy to deal with this right now. So you let them stay in your life. Before you know it, the days that you're dealing with these problems turn into months, and the months turn into, I guess this is just how my life is right now. Today, I want to talk to you about these kinds of problems. The ones that you've just decided to accept, even though deep down, you know that you could solve them. The ones that you think are too big, too complicated, or too exhausting to figure out. And if you're an accountant or high-stress professional, I already know you have at least one of these problems floating around in your life. How do I know this? Because I've been there myself. Maybe you're dealing with a problem at work. It could be something that takes up a big chunk of your time every single day. But you haven't changed it because that's how you've always done it. Maybe it's a habit, procrastinating on big projects, snacking on food late at night because you're too tired to cook something healthy, scrolling at night when you know you need sleep. Maybe it's a relationship that you're not happy with. It could be a client, a coworker, or a family member, and you continue to tiptoe around it because solving it feels like it's going to be hard or messy. Whatever you're dealing with, I want to help you understand one thing today. You can solve your problems. You're supposed to solve your problems. And solving them opens the door to opportunities that you didn't even know existed. This is the work that we do inside the reinvention process. Not because solving problems is the point, but because solving problems is what creates the life that you actually want. Let's dive in. Do you ever think that you're not good at solving problems? I hear things like this all the time from my clients. I'm good at solving other people's problems, just not my own. Or I can figure out a lot of issues, but not why I'm so overwhelmed. Or one of the favorites that I hear is, it shouldn't be this hard, so I must be doing something wrong. But I want you to know, you're not doing anything wrong. You're just a human with a human brain, and your brain was built to look for danger and not solutions. It's built to protect you, not evolve you. Solving problems is a learned skill, not an inherent trait. When your brain sees a problem, it defaults to thinking, this is too hard. Not now. I don't know how. This will take way too long, or I'll deal with it later. Your brain doesn't offer brilliant ideas when you're stressed. It offers exit strategies. It wants to seek pleasure, avoid pain, and conserve energy. And when we add an extra layer of constant decision fatigue, where on an average day, by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, you've made about 400 micro decisions. By 8 o'clock at night, you're tapped out. By the weekend, you want to think about absolutely nothing. So you can see that this is a lingering problem, right? Your brain will absolutely want to avoid those problems. But problem solving is a muscle. You can strengthen it. And when you do, your entire life gets easier. This is why, inside the reinvention process, one of the earliest shifts that people experience is seeing their problems differently. Not as heavy weights, but as invitations. They see them as opportunities and doorways. If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.